Hey guys, we're here at Naiya 2 and we're going to Boracay.
Sanay ako sabihin, Japan!
Japan! Hindi, joke lang. Boracay muna tayo. Local muna tayo this week. So we're actually going to a wedding kaya kami pupunta ng Boracay. So kami lang din, di namin kasama yung aming baby boy. Nakain muna tayo, grabe. Aga namin sa airport as 2 hours before masunurin. Pero wala namang line and all. So we're flying PAL today. Naiya 2, let's go. Ay, lucky me. Mga coffee na din. In fairness, maraming choices sa vending machine.
Ano po, yung UCC.
Oo nga.
May brewpot din na vending machine na kapag.
Wow, tour guide. Tour guide. Sige, same na lang.
Pasahero na manatili lamang sa kanilang itinakdang upuan sa kabuuan ng ating lipad.
I guess okay na rin.
Ayon sa mandato ng Civil Aviation Regulations, kung kayo ay nakaupo sa exit row,
Nagbayad ako.
mangyaring basahin ang passenger greeting card.
Distance tayo.
Kung
electronic devices such as cell phones and laptops. Please notify the cabin crew.
Ay, magbaba. Rela? Nalawa na rin tayo.
What airline? Airline?
So, nag-book na kami via the hotel pero yung same tour company is actually available in Klook and honestly mas mura. Mas mahal pa dun sa hotel. So, ayan, may special lane din for Klook vouchers. So, you can use my promo code if you guys wanna book yung mga transfers. Dalawa. Thank you. Ito. Okay, salamat. you. Hello.
Okay lang po.
Kayo, okay lang.
Are you okay?
Ako na ba loob ng ano, parang puno kabilin? Pilay niya.
Sarap kasi yung
Breakfast will be served here at the Barlow Restaurant from 7 to 10. Buffet breakfast talaga. If you need beach towels, yung labis ko ba din muna sa...
Ay na pala. Ay wow, ang lapit natin sa pool. Joke. Sa pool. Lutuin ko yung koi. Ay. Ay. Tigas. Nice.
Sisig, tsaka yung 4 cheese. Tapos everything else follow up. Follow na lang. Follow up agad? Gutom ka.
Sorry, gutom ka.
Gusto sisig sir?
Sure.
Salamat minsan.
Gusto ko rin may sound. Charot.
Sound effects.
Mekos.
Bang. Kala ko tatalong pa eh.
Akala mo din.
Saka yung drinks kami. So, patry na lang po ito mama. Chili oil po, chili flakes. Recommended natin na pampaangan sa mga food. Especially sa Tabasco kasi medyo maasid. Kaya nakakaumay ka.
Oh, okay.
Thank you po.
Naman.
Thank you. Kunin niyo kasi yung gumawa ng wedding gown.
Damn, ganda. Saan ba yung Lin? Hey guys, this is a test of the DJI Osmo Action 6 with the macro lens. So this is actually in the portrait mode on the macro lens, which means you might be achieving a little bit of a background blur while still retaining the wide angle lens. So this is actually perfect if you want to do travel vlogging or perhaps any type of vlogging would do too. So let me know what you guys think. If I want the background to be less blurred, I can dial it to this setting, which is perfect for landscapes and for more detailed backgrounds. If I want to go closer again, you can dial it to the portrait mode, which is around 20 cm from the subject is good. Background should be a little bit blurred as well. But if you want to go even closer, you can do the macro mode, which enables you to go closer to the subject as close as 11 cm. So just in case you want to get the DJI Osmo Action 6 macro lens, you can purchase it directly from DJI via the DJI Store app. However, note that this is only available specifically for the DJI Osmo Action 6. It's not available for Action 5 Pro or even Action 4. So what's my verdict? Honestly, I've been using this for a couple of days now and I brought it here during the travel and very happy with it actually. So just in case you want to get yours too, just message me. I can also send you the link, but it's best to purchase it directly from the DJI Store app. Dali, takbo, takbo! Yan, ganyan! Oh, yan lamig, sarap! Ay, ang sarap! May malamig. Punta kami ng D-Mall kasi we're going to Coco Mama. And ano pa yun? Coco Mama, Ube Mama, Mango Mama. All the mamas. Okay, sige. Hindi na kinaya. Nag-trike na. Hey. Thank you. May DJI pala dito. Coco Mama.
Mango na lang tayo.
Sige, share na lang.
Share na lang ba tayo lang?
Oh, feeling ko di ako makakain.
Large na lang?
Sige.
Medium.
How you can go? Wow, dami. Ano yan natin? Pinipig.
Trinay ko, ginawa ko na ng mix. Black rice? Ay, may green stuff dun sa green. Ay, may green stuff sa green? So, later.
Sarap.
Share it.
Yummy! Meron din silang other concepts like Ube Mama and Mango Mama. So we might try Mango Mama, which is near sa may D-Mall palengke lang daw siya. In fairness, masarap yung Coco Mama. Apat kaming kumain ng isang large.
Sayang eh.
Actually, kaya naman. Before, no? Yeah, we did. I remember my photos sa taas.
Spring garlic grilled pork chop with mashed potato. Pero kung gusto niyo po ng rice, pwede naman po siya i-change into rice.
Cheers!
I didn't know it was pangit. I didn't know it was pangit. It was pangit.
Waiting lang tayo sa breakfast buffet. Tayo na pala. Tayo na pala. May pasta. Sauce. Ano coffee mo kanina? In order? Spanish.
Kuya, ito nga.
Are you playing with them?
Thank you. Brown sugar. Spanish. Yeah, we're walking to Dos Mestizos kasi ito kami madalas kumakain man in Boracay because masarap yung food plus masarap din yung drink.